Yes, we're gonna be doing a Yeet video. Now let's start. For 10 hours. Let's do it. This is annoying. This is so annoying. Can you guys even hear me? That's my question. Oh, luckily I got a new headphone set thanks to my dad. Oh, luckily the Fortnite sound is louder. But this goes for 10 hours straight, people. 10 hours. Okay, so we are going to be going to the... Okay, this is going to be an annoying sound. No. I did not expect it to be that annoying. The sound is getting glitchy. Here. I feel like it's saying A8. A8. E8. 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 Yeet. I'm going to this house. For the yeeting people who throws... There is no way somebody already found a job to do. Pistol, okay. The headphones is a little bit... Oh no. OMG! Imagine the vault has been opened. I'm used to this, yo. Oh. Wait, what? There's no way I hopped onto them. Look at this. Sick boy. I hopped onto squads. As you guys can see, the Yeet is still 4 minutes in. Wait, a minutes of silence. How do you do it? My minutes of... No! Shushin, I have new headphones and I started recording. There's this random annoying Yeet thingy. Call me. The video is we have to use this Yeet for the whole game. For the whole video. For the whole game. Whole video. Okay, call me. This is gonna be annoying. Oi, Shushin, I want you to do the challenge too. Get your iPad up or whatever, and search up on YouTube. Search up on YouTube. Yeet 10 hours. Search that up. Call me, Shushin. Shushin, call me. Shushin, call me. It's annoying. Okay, we're in. Call me. Oh, just call me. Yeah. Oh, accepted. Oh, Shushin, I'm gonna take off my headphones. Shushin, search up on your iPad. Yeet 10 hours.
Yeet what?
10 hours. Yeet. Yeet 10 hours. It'll show this annoying Yeet. That's a video. I'm doing this annoying Yeet sound, which is so annoying that it's in my head already. Doink.
Okay, welcome to my computer.
Wait, why are you on level off? I'm gonna put the headphones back on, hearing the Yeets. Yo!
10 hours.
Yes. Press the one with the black person, a kid with the black background.
Is it Lucas Albert?
Yeah, just press that one. 10 hours.
Oh my god.
That's the challenge. You have to do it. Okay, we're going to lazy. You haven't even loaded yet. We're going to lazy. I'm back. I'm putting my headphones on. I got new headphones, Shushin. Oh my god, and the Xbox ones. But it can fit on my laptop. Hey. I just died by this randomly, but I wasn't even shooting. It's up to you, Shushin. You're very far. I'm going to gaming channel. You haven't landed yet? Take my 2 pumps. Take my 2 pumps. When you revive me, can you give me one of the pumps? There'll be this random noob. I wasn't shooting him. I felt sorry for him. I felt sorry for him. My Yeet is tired. It stopped. It's like I'll turn my sound up. Okay, chill out. Yeah. Hate it. Pistol. Oh, my game's... I still have that Yeet on. A long thing.
Okay, can you set it up? First,
What?
can you catch up the video because, yeah. Can
This
you
is
catch up
getting
instead?
annoying, the Yeet. I can't hear you. I'm gonna turn my Yeet low.
Can you search up the video instead? Because
Check the video.
Because I don't want to search up the video, so can you
Can I what?
search up the video instead of me?
The Yeet on like, what do you mean?
The Yeet one.
So take off my headphones.
No, like, can you do the...
Like out loud.
No, so can you go on your iPad and do the Yeet thing?
Oh, you wanted me to do it on my iPad?
Yeah, can you do it?
So you don't want to do it on your iPad? Okay, then
Yeah.
allow me to go in the car. Allow me to go in the car.
Okay, because my iPad's on 9%, so, 5. So,
Okay, my one's on 100, so let's do it.
Okay, where are we going? Where are we going, though?
10 hours.
No, it is. I didn't check my iPad. So
I did it. Can you hear it?
No.
Oh, then I guess it doesn't work. I don't want to hear double yeets.
You think I do? And why are you doing the challenge then?
Oh, yeah. Oh, now I know. Now can you hear it? Can you hear it now, Shushin?
And what now?
The yeet. Oh, then I guess I don't know how to do it then. So... But we're still doing the challenge. You don't have to do it, but I'm sacrificing my life for you. I'm using a pistol. Look! I'm a bot! I can't lie, that actually took me a very long... Okay, shake them. I got a stock assault rifle for you. Hack them.
No, but I have a purple scar. Can't stick this.
Wait. No, you can have it. The video is gonna end. Sorry if the video is gonna just shut off automatically.
I'm already on full shield.
Sorry for the people who's watching this and it's gonna shut down automatically. That always happens. It's gonna shut down the video. It's gonna shut down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.